I ran into this last week. Here's what fixed it for me. If you're looking to cancel your YouTube Premium subscription, follow these steps to make the process smooth and easy. Step 1. Open the YouTube app. Launch the YouTube app on your mobile device or go to the YouTube website on your computer. Make sure you re-logged into the account that has the subscription. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on your profile picture in the top right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings where you can manage your subscriptions. Step 3. Select Purchases and Memberships. In the menu, look for the option labeled Purchases and Memberships and click on it. This section contains all your subscriptions, including YouTube Premium. Step 4. Find YouTube Premium. Scroll down to locate your YouTube Premium subscription. Once you find it, click on it to access the cancellation options. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Follow the prompts to confirm that you want to cancel your subscription. Make sure to read any information regarding the end date of your subscription. If you miss the confirmation button, you might still be charged for the next billing cycle. I hope this guide helps you easily cancel your YouTube Premium subscription. If you have any questions, feel free to ask.